Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off Share My Location with family and friends on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to go down and tap on your Apple profile, Apple ID profile, and then you go down and tap on Find My. Next, you tap on Share My Location toggle button to switch it on or switch it off. And it said that share your location with family and friends in Messages and Find My, make personal requests using Siri and HomePod, and use automations in the Home app. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to your settings or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.